Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase power in Last Z Survival Shooter game. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so boosting your power in Last Z Survival Shooter is essential for progressing through tougher missions and dominating zombie waves. So there's a few different ways how we can do this. So we want to go ahead and upgrade your weapons and gear. So enhance and involve your weapons using upgraded materials from missions and events, and also focus on a higher rarity weapons like purple or gold that offer better base stats and power boosts. And also don't forget to upgrade armor and accessories too, they contribute to your overall power. Also, another thing we can do is level up our heroes. So you want to go ahead to your heroes and go ahead and level these up to the max level, and as you level up you're going to unlock new skills and increase base power. Another thing we can try is equip better mods. So attach weapon mods or perks to enhance damage, reload speed, or crit chance. Mods can be found in special drops or crafted with materials. Also, another thing we can do is complete daily missions and events as well. So these often give upgrade materials, power boost items, and rare gear. So always check for limited time events. They usually have high value rewards. And another thing, use your resources wisely. So prioritizing upgrading your best weapons and hero first. Don't waste resources on low tier gear unless necessary for progression.